Hello, this is the shore of Biwa Lake on May 6, and I'm sitting here very close to multiple plants which grow on the shore of that famous Japanese lake. Actually, only one big lake of Japan. And I would like to speak about two things. About these plants, about name of these plants, and also about plant ecology in general. So this plant is Nuttallanthus. Nuttallanthus canadensis, a very attractive plant, but unfortunately invasive. Invasive American plant in Japan. So Nuttallanthus is a kind of toadflax, the genus which is separated from Linaria toadflax in a separate genus Nuttallanthus, named after Thomas Nuttall, is a famous botanist, English botanist, which however made plenty of explorations of North American flora, and his share in North American flora research is simply giant. So many plants named after Nuttall, among them is this Nuttallanthus, interesting variant of toadflax. As you probably see, flowers of Nuttallanthus are very visible. It's like 10 minutes to the sunset, but blue color is very bright during the sunset, so you can see them well. There are many others interesting plants, for example, bromus, which spikelets are extremely similar to the loaf of bread. So question of ecology is, what happened with the plant communities to make them so susceptible to these invasives? Plant is probably first introduced to Japan just as nice garden plant, and then it started to grow almost everywhere, not only on disturbed soils, but also, as you see, on almost natural habitats like this, ever-existent shore of Lake Biwa. Why Nuttallanthus, which is relatively tame in North America, start to be so invasive in Japan? This is a very general question. Are plant communities are stable or not? Many people say these plant communities and generally all ecosystems are so tightly made, it is almost impossible to introduce anything new to them, and most of recent invasions are related with the human disturbance. Well, I think it's okay, the concept is good enough, but it does not explain why sometimes plants like Nuttallanthus, another example is a spotted knapweed of North America. Some plants are going deeply inside natural communities, so they are not probably so tight. There are some interesting gaps, which allow plants like this early flowering blue toadflax to thrive in places where it never grew in Japan. So this is Nuttallanthus, plants which ask questions about how ecological communities are structured, and also nice element of now Japanese flora named after the famous English botanist studied North America. So it's kind of international connections on the shore of Lake Biwa on May 6. Thank you very much.